Naipunya Vikasam, Functional English and Life Skills, Class 10th, Module 2. Welcome to my session. I am Purnima Kolsani, working as English and Life Skills Trainer under APSSDC in West Godavari district. So, let us go into our topic, that is homographs. This is a new word to you children. It is also called as confusing word. So, by this class, I would like to clear all your doubts regarding homograph. What is homograph? Homo is equal to same, graph is equal to writing, and homograph is equal to same writing. It is a compound word which contains two different words in a single word, that is homo. And homo is, as I earlier told you, homo is a same, graph is a writing. Homograph is a compound word which tells us the spelling that are spelled the same but have different meaning and even different pronunciation. To better understanding, I would like to explain all these things through examples, in which these examples consist of two different sentences with the usage of the same single word. Okay, let us see the examples. The first word is roll. He rolled up the newspaper and hit her. And the second sentence is the glance at her phone made her roll her eyes. In this, these two sentences are different situations in which the single word rolls plays a different meaning. And the second example is close. Please close the window. And the next example is I am reaching close to my home. In this also, close as a playing a role of different meanings, in which it explains in two different sentences. And the next word and the next example for you is can. Ramesh can speak English fluently. And the second sentence is we drank a can of Coke each. Here also can plays two different roles in two different sentences in two different situations. And the next example is address. And the address also makes two different situations. That is, in the first sentence, I can give you the address of a good attorney. And the second sentence is that letter was addressed to me. Here also the spelling is same, the pronunciation a slight difference will be there, and the meaning totally different. And the next one is fast. I am early. My watch must be fast. And the second sentence is I always have some orange juice in my breakfast. So here also fast plays two different situations in two different meanings. And the next example is conduct. We are conducting a drawing competition. As you all know that you usually participated in some competitions, like, right? So the first conduct is we are conducting a drawing competition. And the next example is I have got good conduct in my school. That is good reputation in our school. I have got good conduct in my school. And the next word is palm. He hit his forehead with his palm. And the next sentence is I saw something fall at the palm tree. Here also we know very well that palm contains two different meanings in these two different sentences. And the next word is mark. Mark. Here also two examples. The first sentence is he made his mark in career. And the next sentence is he received high marks on his final exams. Here also two different situations, two different meanings, in which it can be called as a homograph. And the next example is fine. You all know, children, about this word. You already frequently known about this. I think that a fine idea. And the next sentence is he was charged 50 fine for his deed. Okay, the second sentence will you understand very better because you came across the same situation in your schools. And the next word is jam. The first sentence is he spread some jam on whole wheat bread. You are very you are very fond of a jam, right? The second sentence may be Vinay was too late for meeting that he was stuck in traffic jam. So two different meanings for the same word. Thank you, children. Thank you very much for your patience listening. Thank you.